what I'd like to go over today is how you can get up and running with JavaScript with just your browser. So we'll go over variables and data types in JavaScript. And so what you want to have open on your computer is a browser. I don't believe it necessarily has to be connected to the internet, but I mean, it wouldn't hurt. And basically what you want to do is just, you don't have to go anywhere, just here at google.com, and you just want to right click and inspect. So what's going to open is your console. Another term for it is your developer tools. And basically, you can X out of this piece down here in the bottom right, just to kind of clean things up. Let me move my camera. Okay, so X out of that. And then this is the Elements tab. So basically this is your HTML. And as you can see, as I run my mouse over the HTML, it highlights where that HTML is in the screen. So I can right click and inspect on this Google logo. I can come here, I can delete it. So it's very like interactive and dynamic way to test out different code that you have written and things as they appear in the browser. What I wanted to focus on for today is this tab called the console. And basically in the console, you can type and run JavaScript. So basically, the first thing that you want to learn when it comes to JavaScript is the console.log statement. So console.log, and inside the console.log, I can type a message. And then from here, I can hit enter, and then it logs back. So basically what it's doing is it's kind of acting like, see how this logo is being displayed? So there's a little bit more code that's doing that in the application. But as developers, when we want to get feedback or we want to get some type of information to display back to us, we'll use this method or a function called console.log. Okay, so let's talk about variables. So the way we declare a variable is we use the keyword let. And keyword means that we can't, this is a word that's part of the JavaScript language, and we can't use it in any other way other than how it was intended to be used, which is, in this case, to declare variables. So I'm going to declare a variable called name, and I'm going to just basically here, I'm just going to hit enter. And you can see it displays back undefined. So if I was to console.log, and I was to put name in, and I was to hit enter, I'd get back that this is undefined. So this is our first data type. So data type undefined means that there's something in our program that the computer can't find a reference to. So what we need to do now is we need to assign the name variable, and I'll assign it to a string. We know it's a string because I'm using these quotation marks. And then I'm going to put a string of characters in that forms my name. So I'm going to hit enter. And so it kind of displays it automatically back to us, but we can also use our console log statement that we just learned about, and we can get back name. So one thing that we want to understand about let is that we can reassign the variable. So I can say name now equals, well, let's say I signed up for a profile and I put my name in, but later I wanted to update it with a shorter version of my name. I could say John. And now if I was to log this out, it will have changed it. So that's where we'll end here for today. Let me know if you need any help. Open up your browser, try this out,